Hello there, welcome back. So I got this 2020 Kia Sorento. So I just want to show you how to remove your climate control, which is this piece right here. So you're gonna get this. It's best to use this plastic pry bar to remove it. Got a bunch right here also. But first there's a piece under here that you need to remove. Pry from the side, just like that, guys. And come all the way. Pop it right out just like that, guys. So there's just some clips that holds it in. You can see right there. Also there are some screws that I remove from right here. So you got one right here. Get some more space. Alright, turn on the light. Alright, there we go. So you got one right here. There's another one right here, and there are 8 socket. Use to remove it, but I'm going to use a star point screwdriver to loose these screws. So I got the first one out. This is the other one. Alright, there we go for the other one right here. So remove those clips. Alright, so you're gonna want to pry this piece, loosen it up from the side just like that, guys. Also get to the other side and loosen it up. Alright, let me see if I can use a bigger one to pop those clips out. Remove it from another yet right here. Alright guys, so I was using my one hand to do the video and at the same time, so all I need to do, I pry from the bottom, pry from the side with these right here. I'm going to leave the link in the description, you can get these. So I'll show you behind there. So just some clips, only one right here, one there, and to the bottom there are screws. Those screws that I removed early on. So that's what I removed to get it out. So I'm going to also remove the, to show you from the back side. Let me hold on. Let me cut the car off first before I remove these 4 connectors. So if I press this clip in and push it off. So other one to the back, do the same thing, squeeze this in and push, slide it off. And right here, I'm gonna do the same thing. Alright, so that's it right here, guys. Take a good look on it. Alright, there we go. Alright, so I'm going to put it back together. It's really hot here. It's doing a little over 100 degrees, so I need to get it back right real quick. Put back these wires. Alright, so now that I get back all the wires in, I'm just gonna snap it back in place. Let me clear this out the way. I'll have those 3 clips right there. Just snap it back right in. Alright, just like that, guys. Going to get back the screws. Alright guys, so that's it right there. So if you find this video useful, please like, share, comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you all for watching. Catch you another time. Bye.